Now, guys, this chapter is a very important chapter for surveyors, designers. Here we will learn that how to we recreate the surface from the polylines. Suppose I have this one surface in the civil 3D. See like that. It's a surface. You can check here. This is the surface name is the EG, and you see that we added here the point. If someone send you surface in DWG format, then it will be not surface and point will be not showing here. Here see that you can see the point group also there. Okay. So how see if I will export this drawing as a DWG format. How see first you come here and see the export then export civil 3D drawing. Just click on this and here where you want to save these locations and just here give to name surface. Okay, a CAD surface, and I will save in there in this place desktop, and you come to here it will be fast convert just of these two layers layouts only model we will export. So here you can give to name this and export it here. See, it's exporting now. It will not take time much. Yes, it has been exported. Okay, cancel it. Now this drawing is the original drawing here surface, and I will open now the CAD format which is the exported. Just open here, go on desktop, and I given to name a CAD surface name. Where you want to see this, we can't see. You see a CAD drawing to here and drawing to here, and a CAD surface you see the drawing to. Okay, this one just open it. It's opening now. Yes, it has opened. Now we have this civil 3D original, and this is the in exported. You see here if you click then only one line is select which you want to select, and check the properties. Here the property, then polyline. This line is the polyline, and you see the elevation is the original elevation is here. So if we get like that drawing, then we can't work on these drawings if any infrastructure project if we design on this surface. So how do we convert it back in the uh, as a surface? So it's very easy. I want to explain to you. Just you see here no surface, no points, nothing is there now. So just click on the surface and right click and create the surface, and we have to give to name to our surface. I'm giving to name surface EG, existing ground level. Then say OK. Now we have surface here, but this surface don't have any data. It's a only blank surface we have. So how do we create? Just come to here and see the contour here. Just click once here and add is here. Give to any name. I'm giving to name same the EG one. Okay, nothing you change here. Just click on here. It's asking now. You see the select the contours means lines, polyline. We can select here. It will be get the warning. Now enter. See, so many warnings are here, and you can analyze it, your warnings. What is the saying the warnings here? This data all is the same the break line, and it is the only minus here. You say not added. Anything you can see. If you want to see this line is not added. Okay. So how do we add this correct way? Just once undo again, okay. Our surface has gone from here, so we have to again recreate here surface and give to same name the surface EG1 and okay. Now we have to do one things here. Just this our border yani ki outer boundary line, delete it. Okay. Now we have only the inside contour, boundary has gone. Now we have to repeat the same way. Here just click, okay, and then come to down here. Same we have to the contour, click, right click, then say to add and give to name EG1 and give to name. Here distance, these things if you want to change, but no need to change here, okay. Leave it all is it same by default. Just click on here, okay. Then it's asking select to your contours. Just select the all here, okay. Then hit the enter. Now see the surface has been created and we didn't get the any warning from the serial. So the surface is the okay. Now see if you select here, then our border is the selecting here. New border has created me. And how do we see the surface is there now, okay. Just click once on the outer boundary, come to here add label, or you can come annotate it, then you can get the label here. Just come and if you see the spot level here, see this level is the 2375. Just we click once here, see 2374.966 because some very far maybe, and you come if the contour lines here you see this is the contour line. You click just once here, you will get the exact any line. You check that this is the 2375. Click to on this line any point, you see 2375 is okay. And here you see the 2352. You click on this line here, you see same you are getting the spot elevations. See 2350, and here also 2351. You can see the 2351 means our area, this surface is now correct, and we can use this surface any design, any infrastructure project like drains, canals, roads, any you can use this surface for your design purpose. So I think you understood well how to create the surface from the AutoCAD lines as a contour. If you want to see another one small example I'm showing to you, just we give to a command PL Polyline. Here this polyline here, okay, and this we have to leave it like this, or if we create like that one line here, okay, and another line same we have to repeat it here, or maybe here, and no more, but one more line we have to create here. And suppose I give to here, and we create another one line like this, and another one line like this. Then now you have to assign the elevation. Suppose like this line is here. Go to in the properties here and come in the property and check here elevation is the 0. We have to put here elevation 2000, okay, and escape this another line. We have to assign the elevation 2000 here, okay, and enter it, then escape, then come another line here. This one we have to assign here also elevation 2000, 200, yes, again, and we have to assign here elevation also 2100, okay, and another here you can decide and assigning your levels. I'm going to assign level here the 2400, okay, and enter it. Now our all line polyline have to elevation we assigned already. So we create the surface from this polyline. Same way is this we have to create our surface. So how to we create? Just close it and create the new surface here. Create the surface. I'm giving to name new one. Okay. Then okay. Now you see the here surface new one is the blank no data. So we have to assign the data same way. Click on the contour, right click, add. It's giving to now name something. We giving to same name new one here. Okay. Then click here. It's asking select the contours. See, this is the polyline. All we have to select once or one by one. Okay. Then have to enter. Okay, we enter. Now you see that our surface has been created. It's see this boundary is here. It's looking means just click on here and go to here surface property, and you can check that our surface is the standard here because we created by the other one. If you want to change something, you can change here. Many things yeah, you can change here. Okay, as you like. So now if the surface is that ready, if you want to check, then just click on here and come to here and check the spot elevations. If you click on this line, you will get see this levels here, these levels, and here you see these levels, and see here is this levels, here is this levels, and here you see the level. Anywhere inside the surface you can get level, outside you can't get. See, like this is the all sport levels 2007 over 65. So I think you understood well how to create the surface from the polylines or our extracted surface. Thanks for watching.